Type shit. Yas. So I got a Ford shirt. Ford GT Heritage. I don't know if you can see that. Golly. Ford GT on the back. We at the auto. I mean, what is it? What are we at? Dream Cruise Ford Performance.
You vlogging too?
Yeah, I told him to vlog. I mean, that's all I got, but fuck it.
Hey, man, he's getting it done though, bro. He's staying consistent.
Yeah. No, that's what's up. Consistency, bro, is where it's at. Cause like I'm not very consistent with my videos, so like every time I post a video, my graph jumps up and it goes right back.
Consistent, then you just drop it.
Yeah. You got because eventually, like one of you, like, if you're consistent, eventually one of those videos will blow up. And, like, you blow up, and then it'll go down, but it'll never go down to where how low you were. And it'll stay on that high wave. And it's just like that's what.
But he's consistent. I don't know what his excuse is, cause you post often. I see it.
What's your YouTube? I don't. 1,000 followers on TikTok's the hardest, and then a 10,000 follower mark is the hardest.
Once I got to 85, I literally haven't jumped up one. It's so weird. But I got also. Yeah, it was like 100.
Average market value.
But they don't have a stabilizer. So the gimbal they use now, your phone has a built-in stabilizer, so it makes it
The video, Red Line reveals we're at Woodward. We are at the Ford Dream Cruise, and it is getting rowdy.
Fucking rabbit!
Fucking rabbit, fuck! Fuck! Do it right now, fuck!
Hey yo, follow Blue Sugi on all platforms. Blue like the cheese.
Blue like the cheese.
We like that cheese, baby.
Type shit. Yas.
We outside, Dream Cruise weekend, boy.
Fuck yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you guys think? That truck right there? Or that truck right there? Or that truck right there? Comment down below. What do you guys think?
It's a rough line vlog, bro. Forward.
What do you guys think? Guys, we got Cody here.
KJ Photos, hit me up on Instagram if you want to do a photo shoot. I'm cheaper than Remway.
Man, we're going to Mexico next, man. That's where we're going.
We're gonna, I'm racing the Civic, guys. I'm racing the Civic 20 rand race.
What's fucking? Oh yeah, it's time to go. All right, so we go to the next spot. Next spot, race spot. Everybody's leaving. Everybody's dispersing. Man, what the fuck is that? Yeah! What the fuck is that? Thank you. It's been a pleasure. On to the next spot. Alright, everybody leaving Dream Cruise. Now we're going to the next location. Racing location, secret location. Pick this back up where we left off. Alright. Fucking Eleanor! Hey, about to go to the next spot. Good shit, guys! About to go to
Not as bad as it was. It's two cashiers.
I'm messing
pulling up for race night. Will he race? You never know.
That idiot.
And he gonna be crazy, bro. So many motherfucking people out here, bro. Everybody sliding in out the street, I guess. Outside, bro, it's so crazy. So many people out here. It's insane. So many people. I give it 15 minutes before they shut this down. 15 minutes easy. Yep, here we go. Yep, there they go. It's over now. And flick them lights off. They're about to shut it down. Everybody shut this dice. So we're about to close this video out. Everybody dispersing. We out of here. That's a wrap for the night. Till tomorrow. It's the second day. And like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. We out of here. Everybody's dispersing. Everybody's out of here. Then we gone.